Hey guys, Pete and Ben here with the Grateful Adventure, and today we're going fly fishing at a river here in Colorado. Guys, so what we're doing today, we're fly fishing with our Tenkara rods. If you haven't seen our videos before, we use these a lot in these smaller streams. So as you see, there's no reel onto this, and it's extendable. It goes from 11 feet to 9 feet, and our leader is on this little spool. We have a dry fly and a nymph. And I'll show you how we connect it. So first of all, I just take off this plug here, and this end part is called the lilian, and this is where we attach this part to. So I'm going to extend it out. This. We just got to be really careful. The tip is really sensitive. There we go. As you can see now, this is at 11 feet, and this particular model, I can bring it down to 9 feet. Okay, and to attach the lilian, bring it over here. Yeah, so what we do is unravel this part here. There's a loop here, and then there's a knot here. So what we do is take this loop, pull the main line through, go over the lilian's knot, and carefully we just tie this knot. That's all we do. And then when we're all done, we just simply pull this, comes right off, we re-spool it. Very simple. I'll go ahead and set this up. So again, I'm just tying this knot right onto the lilian. Hold it nice and snug while I'm holding the lilian, because I don't want to bend this part. It's really fragile. So what I'm going to do is to start unraveling. And this little spool, when I'm done, I'll just put it back into my vest. So what we have here is we just have a parachute Adams as the top, dry fly, and then a little nymph for the bottom, and that's all it is.
Cut it?
Yeah. Oh, Ben. Nice and easy, Ben. Here you go, Ben. Nice, Benjamin. Heck yeah.
Here, let me unhook him.
Nice job, Ben. Oh yeah. Nice, Ben.
I already unhooked him.
Oh, good.
is the biggest we've got yet.
Well, we sure had a blast fishing this river here on the Front Range here in Colorado. Again, those Tenkara rods were just perfect for this size river. You got a lot of vegetation. You could just really cast and just put the line right where you want it. I think we got about 6 or 7 fish, and we just had a blast. So we hope you guys enjoyed watching this kind of video. Please leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this kind of video. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.